Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a barbecue pit trailer with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x8 plate. I'm going to skip a set of studs on the left hand side and place a 1x6 plate. And on the right side of the 1x6 plate, a set of 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bearing. Then I'm going to set down a 1x6 plate, a 2x4 plate on the left hand side, and a 4x4 plate on the right hand side. Let's lock all this together with a 2x8 plate. Now this is a good time to put the coals in the barbecue pit. Seems a bit backwards, but we're going to start right here in the upper left with a 1x1 round transparent orange flat tile, and right below that I'm going to use a dark stone gray 1x1 round flat tile. Now you can use any configuration you wish. I'm just going to start randomly placing several 1x1 round flat tiles. This just makes the hot coals look a bit more random than just, or if you want, you can just make it all hot coals. I gotta have a way to cook our meal on here. And you're going to have to place 14 of these in total. Last one wants to be stubborn. For a license plate, take a 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 flat tile right on the face of the angular plate. We're going to place this right in the middle. This is going to be the rear of our barbecue pit trailer. And in these two areas right here, a set of 1x1 plates. This will fill in an offset. For a rear tail light, start with a 1x1 by 1x1 downwards angular plate. I'm going to place a stud right on the face of the angular plate and a transparent red round 1x1 flat tile. I want to make two of these. I want to set these right on the ends of our 1x6 plate. Then we're going to proceed on with another set of 1x1 plates. I'm going to set them on the ends of this 1x6 plate. And back here, we're going to take a 1x2 modified plate with ball joint. I'm going to take a stick with holder, place this right here. We're going to set this in this area. This is going to be our leveling jack for the trailer, and a set of 1x1 plates in these two areas. For the sides, 4 1x4x1 wall elements. Place these right here to keep the coals inside the barbecue. Place this last one right there. And a set of 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. These are going to be the top portions of our mud guards. Place this one right here. On the left, let's set down a 1x4 brick, lock in the license plate, the 1x1 plates, and in this area, a 1x4 plate. For a grill, let's take a ladder with 2 snaps. I'm going to take a modified 1x2 plate with stick. I'm going to place it in as shown. I'm going to set this right here on top of the 1x4 plate, and let's fill in these two areas with a set of 1x1 plates. And we're going to crown that off and lock all that together with a 1x4 plate, and on the top, a pair of 1x2 jumper plates and 4 1x1 half round flat tiles. These are going to just finish off the studs. You don't have to put those in there if you choose not to. It just finishes up the top portion of the barbecue pit trailer. Then we're going to take a pair of tall skeleton legs. We're going to set these in here where the clips are parallel to the sides. Then we're going to take a 12 stud long flexible hose or rod. We're going to place a nose cone on one end. And then I'm going to set this inside the top portions of the skeleton legs. And on the right hand side, a hollow stud and a 2x2 steering wheel console. I'm going to place this right here on this side. We've got to be careful because this thing can get a bit jittery, so we've got to make sure everything is really locked in. And for tires, a small rim. We're going to place this inside of a small tire. I want to make two of these, and I want to place these on our bearing plates. We're going to place one here and one on this side. Now we can just set up our leveling jack, and we're ready to do some grilling.